Welcome back to the Autoland channel, where we explore the most exciting machines on wheels, from rugged pickups to luxurious motorhomes. If you're passionate about vehicles that combine adventure with comfort, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing rides. Today, we're diving into the world of next-gen travel with the all-new Ford Camper Motorhome 2026. This latest model is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. Revolution for those who crave freedom on the road without giving up the comforts of home. Ford has been a trusted name in the camper and RV segment for years, and in 2026, they've raised the bar higher than ever. Built on a solid chassis most likely derived from the updated transit platform, the Ford Camper Motorhome 2026 combines power, smart design, and top-tier technology. The engine under the hood is a newly refined 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, giving it the perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those looking for a greener option, Ford is also offering a hybrid variant, making long-distance travel easier on both your wallet and the environment. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how futuristic and spacious the interior feels. With improved use of lightweight, sustainable materials, Ford has managed to increase the interior volume while keeping the overall weight of the vehicle in check. The layout is smart and multifunctional. The living area easily transforms into a dining space, and at night, it becomes a cozy sleeping zone. The clever use of fold-away beds, sliding doors, and hidden storage spaces makes the most of every square inch. The 2026 model introduces a brand new Smart Camper Hub. It's a digital control center accessible via a large touchscreen inside the vehicle or remotely through your smartphone. With it, you can control lighting, climate, security, and even water levels and battery power. Whether you're parked in the middle of a forest or at a coastal RV site, you can adjust your entire living environment with a swipe of your finger. The kitchen setup is another highlight. It comes with an induction cooktop, an energy-efficient refrigerator, microwave, and a fold-out counter that gives you extra workspace. Solar panels on the roof charge an upgraded lithium battery bank, allowing you to run appliances even when you're off the grid. There's also an onboard water filtration system, so you can refill from natural sources and still enjoy clean drinking water. One of the most loved features of this model is the panoramic skylight above the lounge area. Imagine lying back and stargazing from the warmth of your camper after a long day of driving. Ford makes that dream a reality. The windows are tinted for privacy but can be electronically adjusted for transparency, a high-end touch that brings more light during the day and privacy at night. Ford has also put serious thought into the bathroom layout. It includes a full wet bath setup with a space-saving fold-down sink, eco-friendly toilet, and a rainfall-style showerhead. It's compact but surprisingly functional, with waterproof materials that are both stylish and easy to clean. Driving the Ford Camper Motorhome 2026 is a breeze. With enhanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, and trailer backup guidance, even new RV drivers will feel confident behind the wheel. The suspension is refined, giving you a smooth ride even on bumpy back roads, and the turning radius is tight enough to navigate through city streets or narrow campgrounds. Another standout feature is the rear garage space. It's customizable to store bikes, outdoor gear, or even a compact electric scooter. It's ideal for adventurers who like to explore beyond the camper once they've parked. In terms of safety, the 2026 Ford Camper doesn't disappoint. It comes with advanced sensors, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a reinforced frame designed to protect all occupants in case of an accident. It's not just a vehicle, it's a mobile home built to keep you safe. To wrap it up, the Ford Camper Motorhome 2026 is a brilliant blend of mobility, luxury, and off-grid independence. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a year-long road trip across the continent, this motorhome is equipped to handle it all. Ford has truly delivered a smart, comfortable, and capable home on wheels that fits perfectly into the future of travel. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into the latest vehicles and motorhomes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got a lot more coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.